flip horizontally. You didn't control D, did you? Back. No, it didn't. Control D. Now it's control D. Flip. Move it across. Bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more. That's about it there. Maybe a bit too far away. Okay. And then move all those up. And I've got to alter the way that these stitch, because of course they're all in the wrong order now. And first thing I have to do is go edit, ungroup, edit, ungroup, go a bit higher, edit, ungroup, edit, ungroup. Right, now I'm going to put that into non-simulated stitch mode and go here, sewing speed. Of course you're not seeing what it's stitching because I've hidden that. 2, 3. Okay, I've got to get that antennae up before that one. So where's the antennae that's here? There he is. 1 down to here. Regroup that. Can't regroup it that way, Maggie. Honestly. Group. And then move that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, you didn't have to go off the screen. I didn't upset you that badly, did I? No, I'm not up there yet. How much higher have I got to go? This little lot. Oh, I'm only down to that one, look. If you watch when you're doing this, you'll see you get it's not going to show you now because I've enlarged it. You get the connection lines show up. 1, hang on, Shift C, Shift C, there it is, see it? Okay, now you can see it. I had my connectors hidden. 1 goes out to the end of that one. 2 is up to the bottom of that one. He's up to the top of that one. He's down to the bottom of that one. And he's next door to this one. That's what we like. Now I want to put in the line that goes around it. And there's a jump that goes from here up to there. So I've got to do a home. Thank you. And then a jump through. Actually, I'll come down through the colours, that's better. I have to bring the colours back in. I can't see what I'm doing now. Show all objects. Right, all the golds now have been stitched. So I'm going to walk that blue stitch now up, back, in, back, stop. Where does he go next? Right, that's what I thought. So I go and pick up my run line tool and I go on a little stroll. 1, 2, 3, and where does it start? Where's my jump stitch? Just there. And I'll drop that in there. Okay, that jump stitch is gone. So then that goes up, comes back down, back up to the top of that. I still got my line tool, so I drop down around here, walk my jump back to where it would have gone and land in there. And now he's gone. I'm not quite certain why this one is here. So we'll keep going because that's bugging me. Right, jump number 1. There he is. Drop him back up to there. Cross over the middle. And I'm trying to see where my trace line is. And let's see where this jump would have ended up. Just there. So I can drop that into there. That gets rid of that jump. And then just continue walking that. Oh no, now it goes on a zigzaggy. So undo that last one, Maggie. And it up to there. Now I don't understand why I got this fella, cause I shouldn't have him, and I don't know what he's connected to. Right. I've got to get a run line now all the way around this shape. And I do it with... Let me just tell all this stop. My lovely old backstitch line. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, strayed too far out there. Down to a little point. Up this side. And up there. Enter that. Let's take a look at that. And that's the inside of our flutterby. And it's taken me a bit longer than I intended. But yeah. All that remains now is to put in our clumps of flowers. And we'll do that in the next video.